An earthquake of magnitude 7.4 has struck near Christchurch, New Zealand, triggering a tsunami warning. The quake hit 57 miles northeast of the city, which is on the east coast of the country's South Island. It struck in the early hours of Monday morning in Christchurch, which was reduced to rubble by an earthquake just 5 years ago. The New Zealand Ministry of Civil Defence and Emergency Management tweeted, "Situation has changed, tsunami is possible. People near the coast and the South Island should move to high ground or inland." Today's earthquake measured more powerfully on the Richter scale than 2011's 6.3 quake.